how to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Facebook account from Instagram using the latest Instagram update. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. After that, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Account Center under the Meta section and tap on it. Inside Account Center, tap on Connected Experiences. Now you can see Sharing Across Profiles. Tap on it. Here you'll see all connected accounts linked to your Instagram profile, including Facebook. Once you do this, your Instagram account will stop sharing data and connected features with Facebook. That's how to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and social media tips.